Oh my gosh, a crazy frustrating problem today. Tori says that every time she adds a new row to her table, she's getting 4 columns of formulas that are 3 years old and completely inappropriate. What's going on? Hey, just down below the video, if you click like, that'll make sure that YouTube shows this video to more people. Thanks. So we have a table here, a Control-T table, and Tori sent in this problem. She says that she has this table, and every time that she adds a new row, 4 columns get formulas that are from years ago. Like, what the heck is going on? I said, oh, Tori, this is a great question. I have no idea. You know, can you send me a screenshot or something so I can see what's happening, right? So the data looks kind of like this. And here we are in the last row, last column, and we just simply press Tab, which creates a new row. And check this out. This 702 formula, these are 3 hard-coded numbers that go all the way back to the very first row in the table. Like, somehow this table thinks that that formula belongs in every single cell. So Tori constantly is deleting the formula in all 4 columns every time she adds a new record. It's just absolutely insane. And so, you know, where, I wondered, is Excel storing that formula? And I went through all of these icons here on the Table Design tab. I just couldn't find it, and then went to the MVPs. I said, you know, this is so weird. What's the story? I have to thank Ingeborg down in New Zealand, who gave me these steps, right? These steps to solve it. So I'm going to take all of the formulas, which are presumably still good in column G there, and I'm going to copy them, Control-C, and then come out here and paste as formulas. So paste special, formulas, okay. And then come here to column G, and the only way to exercise that formula, to get it out, is simply to select everything and press the delete key. Right, so now that seems to clear the formula from the cells, and then come over here to this temporary spot where we put the formulas, Control-C, and then come back and Alt-E-S-F for formulas. You can use whichever method you want to paste special formulas. And now our formulas are back. The big difference now is that we should be able to add new rows. So right here from the very last row, last column, press the Tab key, and finally, the formula from 3 years ago is no longer automatically propagating into that new row. I can see how frustrating this would be for Tori. You know, how did it get this way? Well, check out the outtake. I have a theory on how it got that way. Maybe Tori didn't set this up, a coworker set it up, and every time that Tori creates a new row, she has to go through and clear out those four formulas, which just make no sense. Well, hey, I want to thank Tori for sending a question in, and I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel. If you like these videos, please down below like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below. So here's what I imagine happened years ago. They had this nice little table. They had to log these special charges, added a new column, and that first order happened to have a special charge assigned to it. So they went in and did the 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 4, 5. And when they pressed enter, it copied down. And they're like, what the hell is this? And then select the data, press the delete key, right? And I think that will get us into, yeah, there you are. That's how it happened. So this formula extends, and this formula, which is only supposed to be for that one cell, also extends.